Today I'm going to show you how to take your wheel studs from this size and that setup to the upgraded size. They're a lot beefier, they're a lot stronger, and honestly I think they look better too. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go through what you actually need. First, you're going to need your factory knuckle. Then obviously you're going to need the wheel studs that you're actually upgrading to. Now I got these in a kit from Speedway. I'll put the link down in the description of the video of the kit that I personally got. But these are 5/8 inch coarse. Then you need the nuts that match with it. Then you need a little piece that you can essentially thread onto the knuckle and pull the knurl into the knuckle. And you also need your drill bit. Drill bit came in the kit, that way it's exactly what you need. Alright, so what you're gonna need to do to get your new wheel studs out, make way for the new ones, is you need a sacrificial lug nut. This came on the knuckle that I got from the junkyard, but all you have to do is thread it all the way on until it bottoms out, or you don't necessarily have to. You just need something that you can hit on with a hammer, and it should, with a cup of wax, pop right out. Now all you got to do after that is do it 4 more times, or if you have more than 5 or less than 5, that subsequent amount. Now this doesn't hurt the wheel stud itself. The knurl is still there, so if you really wanted to reuse them or sell them off, you could, but wheel studs are cheap, so now we just got to do it X amount of times until it's done. Okay, now once you have your wheel studs all knocked out, you need to drill out the old size for the new size. So this is a supplied drill bit that came with the kit. This will get you the proper diameter for the knurl engagement on the new wheel studs. So as you can see, the knurls are basically the straight lines that are at the base of the wheel stud. Those actually dig into the metal and resist it from spinning when you put your lugs on and whatnot. Now clamping these down can be kind of tricky just because they're all different shapes, they're all different sizes. I was able to find a way to clamp it down like this. This worked best for me. It all depends on how you do it, and could go better or worse, but just be careful. Okay, now that you have your holes drilled out, wheel stud, upgraded size, all you gotta do is thread it through. I just have a little piece of tube that'll slide over it because you need something for the nut to pull against. Simply thread your nut on until it starts to grab a little bit. Grab an impact of some sort. just walk it in. Oops. Now, my tube's a little bit of a thin wall for probably what you want to do, but since I only have to do it a few times, I'm okay with the tube getting shot. Just like that. You have your new wheel stud pulled in to where it's starting to knurl. If it doesn't pull in all the way, just repeated torquing of the lugs will help pull it in. Then you just repeat that 5 times over. Now, just like that, well, not just like that. This isn't the easiest thing in the world to do, but hopefully seeing how I do it and how I drill through these and put them in can help someone like you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. If not, that's fine, but I'm gonna be doing a whole lot more stuff to my car as I set it up and build it to run time attack events. We're gonna have everything from mounting engines to building custom pieces here, there, custom suspension. Who knows what else I'll do, but if you want, stick around and I'll make more videos.